Friends, I know what is the pain of losing a phone because last year I lost my new Moto M device in a metro station and it's a very sad moment for me. Losing your device is not only inconvenient, it's also emotionally and financially terrifying. So that's why I made this video for you. If you have lost your Android smartphone, you may be able to track it down using the Android own app called Android Device Manager. With this app, you can increase your chances of not only getting your device back, but also protecting yourself. It is gone for good. Now, how to use Android Device Manager? Android Device Manager working mostly all modern Android devices through the Google Play services. Usually it is turned on by default, but in case if not, then simply open your device settings. In the setting list, tap on Google, scroll down and tap on security. Find my device and turn it on. Here remember one thing, Android Device Manager works only if your device remote location or location access is enabled. If these settings are not enabled, then Android Device Manager won't be able to track your device. So go back under this Google setting, tap on location and turn it on. How to use Android Device Manager? You can use Android Device Manager on your smartphone and a website. So if you want to track your lost smartphone with another phone, then simply open your Google Play Store and download Android Device Manager app. After installing, simply launch the app. After opening the app, you can see two options. First is continue to your Google Gmail account and second one is signing as a guest account. So the choice is yours. After selecting, the Android Device Manager will attempt to track your missing phone. If everything will be okay, you will see the location on the map. At the bottom you will see three options: play sound, lock and erase. Play sound or ring device. So first of all we talk about this first option. If you misplace your smartphone somewhere like your home, garden, office, anywhere, then I suggest you the first option, play sound, because in most cases your phone will be only lost rather than the stolen. And the play sound is different from the calling, because if even your phone is on silent and vibrate mode, it will be saying at full volume for 5 minutes or until the device is unlocked. And in my personal opinion, the feature solves 99% of missing smartphone problem. Lock your device. If you feel not comfortable and Android Device Manager can contact your device, then next step is to lock it. This lock option will allow you to set or change a new PIN, password and pattern on your phone. If you tap on the lock, you can see this type of screen. So you can set up a new password. Also you can leave a custom message with your phone number. This is useful if you think someone else may come across your device and after reading this message contact you via the phone number. So you can try both these things with your device. I have shown my personal experience of losing the phone because I knew that my phone was stolen and I cannot get it. So that's why I use this last option, erase. Like me, if you think that your device has been stolen, then simply tap on the erase option. You can remotely wipe your phone data. This option is same as like factory data reset. It will erase all your music, photos, videos, settings, apps, everything. This also works when the power is off. You can do the same procedure on your PC browser. Simply open the link that's given in the description box and you will get access the Android Device Manager page. So final verdict is that Android Device Manager is a great tool to find out your lost smartphone. And I certainly hope you never need these tools, but it's a great idea to learn how this feature works in case you do need it. So that's about the video guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please show your support by subscribing to the channel. That's what really help me out. Without being said, my name is Raj and I will see you in the next one.